Hey, I'm Mary. I'm going to give you the rundown on how to make this really cute teepee. The supplies that you need are listed below. I've included an attachment in the description that's your actual pattern. You'll cut that out and you'll have two separate pieces. They'll look like this. You'll need a scoreboard, bone folder, straight edge. You can purchase flowers at your local craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or you can pre-cut yours on your Big Shot or on your Cricut, which is what I've done. You'll have a Sharpie or a pencil, scissors, your dowels. These are 6-inch dowels. They're 1/4 inch by 6. You'll need 3 of those. You'll need poster board, and that will need to be at least 11 by 14 or 12 by 12. And then I've pre-cut some decorative cardstock in order to decorate my teepee with. So anything that you want to include to decorate your teepee. Let's get started. So I've gone ahead and cut our pattern out, and I've used it to trace the teepee. You're going to make the one with the flap, you're only going to use once, and then you're going to connect all 3 sides to it. Then you're going to cut that out. You'll see here we've already got our flap done, our flap cut that is, and it's already pre-scored. So now all we have to do is just decorate it. Okay, so what we're doing is we're adding the glue to the flap to close up the teepee, and then we're going to add the dowels. Okay, so you're going to take your first dowel and you're going to put it on the back side, opposite of the flap. And you want to go up about 1 inch so that it sticks out a good amount at the top, about like so. Then you're going to put one on the left and one on the right. Okay, so we've added glue to our dowels and put those in. We're putting our last one in right now. And almost done. We're going to tie our twine around the top, kind of a figure 8. Off in a bow. And then we're going to put our flower on as the final step. Turned out pretty cute. Yeah. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to see more videos.